Hi curious people, welcome to my first Asian beauty haul video. Today I'll give you an overview on my favorite shopping site, StyleVana. I will be unboxing 2 orders and giving you some details on the shopping experience, the cost, and most importantly shipping times. Here's some general information on StyleVana. They obviously sell Asian beauty, but they don't just sell Korean beauty like most of the popular sites. They also sell Japanese, Chinese, and even Taiwanese beauty. I've shopped on many sites and still StyleVana has the best prices and best selection, so you can just make one order and just have a really great haul afterwards. I also have a StyleVana versus Yes Style video coming out, and I hope you guys check that out to see what the differences are. Shipping information: they ship to the United States for free over $48, and they ship out of a central warehouse out of Hong Kong, so that's southern China, and it's gonna have to travel halfway around the world. If you want, you can stack my referral coupon code for an extra $10 off your first purchase, and then you'll qualify for your own $10 off coupons, and then the free shipping becomes after the coupon. So if it's around $48, then you have to spend $58 before your coupon to get the free shipping still. After you become a member using my referral, you get an extra 3% off the listed prices. And so again, more than just having an amazing selection, they also offer bundles, like trying 2 items for a really good price. And also they offer sets, and they do like Vana awards for 2023 and makeup awards, and you can buy the whole set of items, which I have done before, and it's just, you save so much money and you get to try all these new products that you haven't tried before, but you have been really wanting to. They also have a secret member sale, which I participated in, and it is just like a small selection of their most trendy popular products at the moment, but it's even cheaper. It's like a special discount for members, and of course you should always be a member at places that you shop at so you can get the rewards and perks. So even if you count places like the Rose shop, where all the items have this incredible low price, but then the shipping is like this mysterious number that appears at the end when you check out, and it's like $20-$30 to ship a few things. You know, nobody wants to play that game. No one has time to play that guess how much shipping is game. So I much prefer shopping on StyleVana, where you know upfront how much you're going to pay for each item. So the negatives that I hear about a lot, and there's just 3. First one is, who are they? Are they legit? And it's yes, they are legit, and they are a major retailer for shipping, beauty products all around the world. A major part of their business is shipping to like Southeast Asia, so you can see by who they ship to where most of their business is. And if you've heard of Yes Style, then StyleVana is their direct competitor, and they just don't sell clothes. So the second and third negative like goes hand in hand, but basically they have terrible customer service and / terrible shipping. And I'm going to tell you right now that I've not had a negative experience with either, so I can't comment on it, but I can tell you about the shipping speed and how well, like safely packaged everything came. And you can see that in my 2 orders right here. My first order was from June, and I ordered 4 sunscreens and 2 other things. So I ordered June 26th, and then it was shipped only 3 days later, June 29th, and I got a detailed tracking with Yoon Express. I've never heard of them before, but the tracking number actually worked, and I was able to see my package move, through the flight, customs, and things like that. It arrived in Los Angeles on July 5th, and then it was finally delivered July 10th. And so from shipping to delivery, that was only 11 days. So that's not even 2 weeks. We're talking like 1.5 weeks I got the items. And the biggest thing that people complain about is the terrible shipping. But if you just buy all the items that are already in stock, then of course you're gonna get your items like really fast, because then all they have to do is pack it and ship it. And then if it's a really busy season, like you're ordering at Black Friday or Christmas time, then it's gonna take much longer, which I'll show you in my second order from November. I decided to get like 4 sunscreens because I love sunscreen and I love trying new Asian sunscreen. So the first one is viral, much hyped Beauty of Joseon, and I got a 2-pack because Christmas was coming up. Well, I ordered this in June, but I like to be prepared. So this was listed for about $22. It only came out to less than $11 for each of these sunscreens, and it retails for much more than that on Amazon. The next item I got is actually a set by Kao, and it's called their Sun Care Set C, and it was only $17 for both things. So I got the Biore Kids UV 70 grams of sunscreen. So the Beauty of Joseon one is only 50 milliliters, and you can think of it as like 50 grams. Not quite, because the density of water and sunscreen is not the same, but more or less. And then also I'm repurchasing the Biore Aqua Rich sunscreen, but it's the supersized one, 70 grams as well. And it's just like incredible deal for both of these. And I really wanted this set because I wanted to try a physical sunscreen, which is what the kids one is. So the other 2 things I bought is another repurchase, which is the Roto Milano CC Concentration Measures Essence. It is only 20 mils, but it lasts me a really long time, like over a year, and it was only $8. Other places like Yes Style, they sell it for like more than $10. So this is like the best place with the best price that I've been able to find. And it is, if you did not know, Japanese. So if you really find this like a holy grail like I do, then it's hard to buy Japanese beauty products with your Korean products because most places only sell Korean products. The other product is, I just wanted to try Asian eyeshadows, so I got the Roman Better Than palette. It's about 7.5 grams. There's 10 shades, and I got number 2 Mahogany Garden, and it was about $14.25. It was a great deal because this palette like goes usually around $20. So happy news. These prices I just gave you was before I was able to put my coupon, which I got a $11 coupon because someone used my referral code. So thank you so much for people who helped me out and do that. My subtotal was $61, and then I had that coupon, and it was only $50 for 6 items. And if you did not know, they don't charge tax because they are an international company. So it was really nice to not have to pay this additional cost called tax. Okay, my second order is from November, so several months later, and I got 8 items. The shipping speed was super long, so I ordered November 3rd, and then it didn't ship until November 17th because one of the items I wanted was out of stock, and they just, I just had to keep waiting for it to come back in stock before they would ship it out. And again, I got a detailed tracking number with a lot of updates from Yoon Express. Late November, so November 27, it was finally delivered, and that is 20 days from it being shipped. In total, it took about, like almost a month, but it's like, who cares, So I like to buy and restock my skincare items like way in advance, take advantage of coupons or special sales. So this sale was their 11/11 sale, which is the Singles Day sale that most Asian retailers will do. They don't really do Black Friday, but StyleVana definitely does because they have a really big business from the United States. So as you can see, this time I had an even split. So I had 3 makeup items, 4 skincare items, and I tried some new hair products. So for makeup, I was trying out new Shiseido eyebrow pencils. So I got black and dark brown. together was around $3 each. And then I got the Roman Lasting Melting Lip Balm in number 5 Nougat Sand, and that was almost $6. Skincare items, I bought another Roto Milano CC essence for $7 only this time. And then I got rebuy of Roto Hada Labo premium lotion plus the refill for only $17.50. And they had the single bottle for only $8. And then this was the thing that was out of stock, the Kose Softy Mo Speedy, the pink bottle of cleansing oil. That's 230 mils, which is an incredible deal. Much better deal than buying like the DHC one. Unfortunately, I paid extra for that. It was like $7 when it was only like $5 before. So, you know, when things go viral, you sometimes pay the price for it. And then I got another Cal Biore UV Aqua Rich Watery Essence Sunscreen, the big 70-gram tube for not even $7, so like $6.75. And then for hair, I really wanted to try the new viral brand StyleVana. I got the set collagen coating protein ion injection 50 mils and the collagen ceramide coating protein treatment 100 mils. It was only $9.67 for me for the set. If you didn't know, StyleVana changes their prices all the time, but it just fluctuates by like a few pennies sometimes or a few dollars depending on like what month you're buying it at and what kind of sales they're running. Was really tempted to get the Shiseido Fino or the Tsubaki, but I decided to go with StyleVana for this order. So in total, the subtotal was $60, and then I had a coupon and that brought it to $50. And then exciting news, top cashback, which is what I really like using when it's not Rakuten. They had 9% and a bonus $4. So it ended up only being $42 for these 8 items. So what do you think? I really hope you consider browsing StyleVana or purchasing StyleVana the next time you want some Asian skincare, beauty. They just have really great prices and you can't beat the selection. So definitely check it out and let me know what your experience was like, if you had a negative experience with the shipping. In general, I've purchased from StyleVana over 6 times now and I've not had a single issue anytime. Everything always comes super well packaged in bubble wrap and a box and, you know, super perfectly Tetrised so things are not bouncing around and breaking like some people do. Cough cough, Ulta. I hope you guys check out StyleVana and let me know what your order was like and what you bought.